It's cold outside my window, and the snow is here to stay. I watch you while you're eating in my garden every day. Your tiny little wings are frozen from the winter cold. I want to take you in my house to keep you safe and warm. Hey little bird, I want to sing for you, 'cause you made my day when I felt blue. Hey little bird, I want to sing you my song, 'cause you sang for me when all went wrong. And now the grass is fresh and green, and the spring is in the air. I'm looking at my garden tree, and I can see you still sitting there. Hey little bird, I want to sing for you, 'cause you made my day when I felt blue. Hey little bird, I want to sing you my song, 'cause you sang for me when all went wrong. Hey little bird, I want to sing for you, 'cause you made my day when I felt blue. Hey little bird, I want to sing you my song, 'cause you sang for me